Hi, my name is Eddie Playfair. I'm the principal here at Newham Sixth Form College, NewVIc. We were set up 25 years ago as a comprehensive college, which means that we aim to offer courses at all levels to students of all abilities between the ages of 16 and 19. And we're hosting a public meeting next week to discuss where the comprehensive principle is in the 21st century. Is it still relevant? And we'd love you to come along if you can. We've got some great speakers for you. Vonda Viporska from the Equality Trust, talking about equality and the comprehensive principle. Melissa Ben, who writes about comprehensive education, will be talking about the comprehensive school, what does it mean? And also Tim Blackman, the Vice Chancellor of Middlesex University, talking about the idea of a comprehensive university. We're also delighted that the event is going to be chaired by Stephen Exley, the FE editor of the Times Education Supplement. So do come along and join us for that discussion next Monday. You'll need to book through Eventbrite to secure your place. Look forward to seeing you there.